There are different ways to install LLaMA 3.2. You can directly install it using Hugging Face, but you can also using llama.com, and you can download it directly from there. Because llama.com here, the Meta website gives you more options to download the 11 billion parameter model and 90 billion parameter model as compared to 1 billion, 3 billion parameter model. These models at the moment are not available. I was checking last time, it was not available. Let's check it. Llama 3.2. And if you check it, this here on Hugging Face, Llama 3.2, and let me check. Llama 3.2 models. So at the moment they are providing the 3.2. I'm just selecting 3.2, let's say, and it looks look here. They are only providing 3.2, 3 billion instructor and 3.2 1 billion instructor. They are not available. Okay, okay. Here it is available 11 billion version, right? And also available 3 billion instruct. When it was actually available last time, running 0. But in order to download this one, you must have some permission, right? At Hugging Face. And when you try to download this, let me check it here. Llama 3.2. Llama. Now here you can see Llama 3.2 model, and it's a 1 billion parameter, 3 billion, 1 billion instruct. We check all of them. So 3 billion instruct, here you can see 3 billion invials, 3 billion instructor files. So 11 billion is not available, is for download here directly. And you can only download 3 billion parameter and 1 billion parameter instructor. If I click on this one, you must get permission. You need to agree to share your contact information, blah blah blah. This one, and then you will be able to download it. Otherwise, you cannot download it, right? So I have permission already. I got a permission, and let me check where it was. So last time I tried for that one. So when you get permission, then you have permission for all the 3.2 billion, 3.2 model, that you can download it, and to apply for that. Okay, so actually I have permission to get to download this model. Now if I come here, actually here, and click on the download. So first I have to complete this form, actually. Your name and the country region is very important, because currently in European countries it's not available, right? So you must select your country and view your information. So after that, actually, if for example you fill up the information, and your country, and then actually you'll go for the next phase, and this one job type, for example, and then I select, and then you should select one of these. If you select this option, then you can only download llama 3.2 1 billion parameter model, or and 3 billion parameter. If you select this one also, then you will be available, then both of them will be available for you. And if you select this one, then all of three. But if you select one of them, then the other, you cannot download the other model. So for example, I just click, I'm trying for this one, because 11 billion parameter, this is a visual instruct model that you can use it for vision, right? You can put some image, and it will give all the information about that image, right? So let me try this one because I don't have much space for the 90 billion parameter. And actually I tried that last time, but I failed. So let me try this one. I'm just gonna give you the process how it will. You can download it using the VS Code editor or cursor editor. What kind of editor do you have? So actually, I'm select this one and then go to next. Now here actually I say I actually agree to the term and condition, accept all the conditions. Go next. Now this is the now I have all of them, right? Look at this one. 3.21 billion parameter, 3.23 billion parameter, and LLaMA 3.1 billion parameter. Okay. Now first actually you should copy this one and install the llama stake model. So I come here. Actually I already installed llama stake, so it's installed with me. But you can try it already installed here. Again you can check all of the available model here. So it no, it actually show all of the bottle, but you cannot download the 11 billion and 90 billion parameter because we didn't opt for that. We opt for 1 billion and 3 billion parameter. So let me try for the 3 billion llama 3.23 billion parameter. This one, okay. And before that, actually, come here. We can run this command too. But let me try this one. Actually, there is no need for the other one, right? And this is actually model three, the model ID that I wanna try here. Just model ID, and this is the model ID, right? Now it will give me an option to provide a URL, right? It's asking for a URL. Now you can also get an email that contains this URL, but you can copy it here too. Now paste this one and then enter. Now it's going to install this 3 billion parameter. So in this way you can use it, and the next video will try how to use this 3 billion parameter. And actually I have already installed 11 billion visual instruct model, and we will try to use it for our different projects. We will try, and but that's actually we will check in another video.